Okay, I've reinstalled temporarily the new soft top to check the fit because I wasn't sure of one area. I just put it temporarily on without putting the moldings or whatever and reattached it just to get an appreciation of the fit. As you can see, the back side isn't fixed yet, but this area down here is completely installed as it should be, because I had to check on some there's a certain corner where I found that the stress on the fabric was maybe a bit high, and at the same time I'll be able to show the I gotta be careful with the back glass. There's an area down here, if you can see my finger right in the corner over here, which is overstressed because the two rivets that are supposed to go one here and one further down there, which is now held in place by nuts and bolts, I found that that area is overstressed. Probably I'll have to relocate the punch holes in the material, but that will be done a little bit later because I'll be taking it completely out again. And while we're at it, might as well explain the easiest way I found of getting it out and back in is that you have two nuts. The bracket is held by three nuts, 3 bolts, but I'm using only 2, which aren't tightened completely, so I'm able to remove them by hand. You remove the lower one, not the lowest, but the one that is screwed right here. There is one there. I'll try to put some light on it. There is one here, and there's a top one there. This is the one that you will want to put first when you reinstall it. Once you remove both screws, I will not remove it completely, I'll just back it off. What you'll need to do is insert a pry bar right down here where my screwdriver is resting right now. This will allow you to force it or pry it, swivel it, because I noticed that when I put it back in, I wasn't able to guide it in, so I had to put the pry bar there and just put pressure towards the rear of the car, and it snapped in place because there are 2 guide points, which is one there, and there's another one completely in the bottom, which the bracket rests in, so it guides it in place. Once you have it, while you're prying it in place, then you're able to put the lower bolt in, which will secure the system in there. And after that, well, I'll cut the video here and take it back later.